Anyways, folks, I got this little cool little miniature like keypad here, man. It's like a keypad for like either your tablet or your cell phone. Sorry about the light there. See what I'm saying? Because I'm like, man, I can't be typing on those small keypads. Okay, so this little key, you know what I'm saying? So you can get on, this thing is foldable. Sorry for the movement of the camera. It's not very professional. You can like fold it up, unfold it, and let's say you're at a restaurant, or like me in the next few months, I'll be, you know, out and about on the road.
This accident just happened, folks. Dude wiped out in his pickup truck, man. It just happened. But let's see if we can get on around here.
You don't feel like, you know, typing that little thing there. You just pull out this little foldable keypad here, and it's like full size. Now you can text like you're a madman. You know? So it's just a gadget that I decided to get. So I paired it with my tablet. Now I got to pair it with this phone here. You know what I'm saying? So anyways, that's all. I mean, as far as a review so far, I mean, hell, let's, I don't know if you can see this. I'm basically typing myself. Oops, that's right. I should have got the one with the mouse. You can get, some of them have like a side thing here where you can, like, you know, slide the cursor and all that stuff. I didn't get that. One even comes with a mouse. But so let's see here. Let's see here. Let me just type in some here. Look at the screen there. Let me see here. What the hell? Oh, there we go. What? You know, folks. God damn. See here. Yeah, see there? We'll type in hello. Hello. Let's see here. Shift. Well, anyway, so it works, okay? Hang on there. Hello, Jim. I feel like I'm on Sesame Street, Kermit the Frog, you know what I'm saying? Hello, Jim, and I don't know, Amy. I'm not capitalizing the words. Forgive me, okay? I hit Amy there. You know, so then you hit, you know, I'm gonna hit send it to myself. But all in all, this is a little neat gadget. I'll probably only use it once. Never again. But I'm just saying, for like less than 20 bucks, folks, if you don't like the small keypads, you know, that come with, you know, the, you know, whatever, then just get you one of these things here. Again, you can fold it up nice and neat. Okay? Anyways, this review is over, man. Later and out. Now go get your shine box.